Hello students, myself Vineet Kumar. I am assistant professor at Galgotias University in the Department of Mass Communication. Today I am going to discuss the course code BAJC 3017, which is Specialized Reporting and Mobile Journalism. Today I am going to discuss the topic Strategy for Making Mobile Content Popular. So let's start. Objectives of this course are equip the student in basic concept of mobile, to aware about the different tools of mobile, to understand how different audience and institution use mobile phone, to discuss case that highlights the variety of users mobile journalism. Content strategy. Okay, so to understand the content strategy, we have to understand that whatever we are making, we are not making those things only for ourselves. We are making those things for the audience, for the mass, for the people. Okay, so for broadcasting, or you can say for spreading that content, we need to plan things before after creating that content. So content marketing is a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant and the constant content to attract the audience. That means we plan things to attract audience towards our content. So it's very important. Content strategy is very important when you are a content creator. The first question came in your mind is, do I really need a content strategy? Yes, you need a strategy before creating any content, because there is lots of content creator in the market. So why people come to see your content? That means you have to plan things, you have to shoot them in a very good manner so that audience attracts towards your content. If you are creating any content and the audience is not accepting that content or not interested in that content, that means you are not making any useful content. Okay, so whenever we are making content, we first we think about our audience. So it's very important to make any strategy before creating any content. So strategy for making mobile content popular. So what you can do for to make your content popular? First, the reader or the viewer's goal. You have to identify your objectives, why you are making that content. Content's topic, which kind of topics you are selecting to making your content, and the tone of your voice. Okay, so these are four very important things before making any strategy about content. So you have to select your reader goal, then you have to select your objective, then you have to select your content topics, and the last one, tone of your voice, means the way of you are expressing the things. So these are the four important things. Reader and viewer goal, our first strategy. So here you can see there is some bullet points. Who are you aiming your content at? What are their needs, goals and objective? How do they currently discover the content that's important to them? Where do they consume that content? What content do they respond to the best? That means you have to identify you have to identify your audience, which kind of content they are consuming. Okay, so you have to identify your audience according to your content. Okay, so you have to aim them. It's very important to identify your audience and creating content according to their needs, their objective. So what are your objectives? The first objective is, why does your site, social site or channel, whichever medium you are using, exist. Okay, then who are the main stakeholder for these content channel in your business means the content creating process. Okay, so next one is what are the main purpose of each of these channels from your stakeholder perspectives. Okay, then next one is what key message do you want to convey, means which kind of uh, messages you are going to give through your channel. I mean, which kind of content you are making, why you are making those content, what kind of change you want to create, or which kind of information you want to convey to your audience. And the next last one is how do your key message map to your business objective. That means how that message or that content provide you or give you profit, because whatever you are doing is first priority is to earn something. So you have to create content which get the audience. Without audience you are not going to get any feedback, any response, any viewership. And when we are making any content we need a viewership or readership, so it's very important. The next important part is content topic. As we already discussed that the topic is very important, which kind of content you are content you are producing. Okay, so the first thing is what are the main topic areas that you will publish on. Okay, so you have to identify your areas, like it will be health, it will be journalism, it will be communication, or maybe it will be news, kind of news, or it will be a kind of storytelling. So you have to identify your area. The next is what will you talk about. That means now you have to identify which kind of information you are going to discuss. First you identify your area, the second you have to identify your information, type of information you are going to give about that area. Okay, the next one, what subject you will cover. Now in that area information, what subject means you are going to cover a single part of that. For example, you have to understand like Bollywood is a big your area. Second is what kind of you talk, that means you are going to talk about the celebrity, you are going to talk about the films. Okay, so that is your area. Now subject, now if you are selecting the celebrity, which kind of celebrity, I mean which kind of celebrity, what kind of information about the celebrity you are going to convey in your videos. So you have to first you select your area, then you have to select your category, then you have to select the topic and the subject on which you are going to express your views, express the, spread that information. The last but very much important thing, the tone of your voice, means how you are delivering that content to the public. It's very important. So here are three bullet points, that how will you say what you are saying. That means, and I mean which format you are going to tell that information, like in very news format, aggressive format, or in a very comedy or funny format. So that is your choice in which format you are going to express that topic. What style you will adopt, means you can adopt anything from a very big celebrity, or you can create your own style to express the things. So you have to choose any different style. Okay, how will you maintain a constant style across all your marketing communication. That means when you are going to start any style, then you have to maintain that style, because that style become a signature of your channel, or as a personality. Okay, so you have to maintain that style, so that style will acceptable. If that style is accepted by the audience, then you have to maintain that style in your other videos or any other text materials. That is very important. So here is the end of today's lecture. Let me recap what we learned in today's lecture. So first, content strategy. What is content strategy? Do you really need that content strategy? Yes, you need it. The strategy for making mobile content popular, means how you make your content popular. Who are your readers, means what are the reader goals. what are your objective to creating that content, what kind of topics you are going to cover in your content, and how you are going to deliver that content, means what is your style. Okay, so these are today's topic. Hope you all understand these topics. We will discuss more topic about the mobile journalism in our next lecture. So here is a reference link. If you want to learn more about this topic, strategy making, you can just visit on this link and you can get more information about the strategy, what means content strategy, how to make your content popular. So thank you so much, students. Myself Vineet Kumar, this is my email address. If you need any help from me, you can just text me or you can mail me. I will try to help you. Okay, thank you so much.